Ozone is bad when near to the Earth's surface, the troposphere, because it acts as an air pollutant and causes respiratory/breathing issues. Ozone is good in the stratosphere, when it is much higher in the atmosphere, by protecting living organisms from UV radiation. The ozone layer is in the stratosphere about 10 to 50 kilometers from Earth. Process. UV radiation has wavelength of 270 to 400 nanometers, which is 10 to the power of -9, and ozone filters out short wavelengths. These shorter wavelengths are a higher frequency, using velocity equal frequency times lambda, and therefore using E equal h times f, have higher energy, and are therefore the more harmful ones. The ozone layer converts the radiation into heat. Ozone is measured in Dobsons, after GMB Dobson, who discovered so much about the ozone layer. Ozone is constantly being formed and broken down by UV, and there are three types of UV. UV daughter, 320 to 400 nanometers, longest wavelength and therefore lowest energy, and only 5% is absorbed by ozone. UVB, 280 to 320 nanometers, around 95% is absorbed by ozone. However, it can cause sunburn and genetic damage, potential skin cancer. UVC, 200 to 280 nanometers, completely screened out by ozone and would be the most damaging. Forming ozone. Firstly, O2 molecules must absorb the short wavelength UV, 200 to 240, which breaks the bond within the molecule. Therefore you are left with 2O, which separately react with O2 molecules to form O3 molecules. This generates heat and raises the temperature around itself. Chemical energy released when forming ozone is converted into kinetic energy of the surrounding molecules by the transfer on of heat. The overall effect is that UV is absorbed without loss of ozone, and therefore this is a reversible reaction.